So yes, please take a couple more minutes. We have one exciting demo right here, which is the CTO of Dapps Incorporated, Dominic Steil, which is a startup focusing on enterprise blockchain on Salesforce.
Great, thank you. So yeah, my name is Dominic Steil. I'm founder and CTO of Dapps Incorporated. We started in January 2017 to build blockchain applications on the Salesforce platform, primarily with a focus on Ethereum and Hyperledger applications. We have actually just raised our first part of our seed round last week. We're looking for other investors, and we're also hiring engineers. I can give you some background on me. I started mining Bitcoin in 2013 in my college dorm room. So that's how I got into Bitcoin and been writing and developing the space since then. Prior to founding this company, I worked at Aptus as a sales engineer. That's how I learned how to build on Salesforce. We're currently have 10 different POCs going with enterprise Salesforce customers. There's oil and gas companies that are doing performance-based contracts. We have financial services companies doing usage-based contracts for equipment leases. And really, our thesis is that this is going to replace manual contract processes in the enterprise. So any software or any system that you see today where there's document generation, there's manual contracting processes, we're essentially building a platform on Salesforce so that these enterprise customers can actually start deploying smart contracts and have all the, essentially the entire stack, the application layer, the API gateway, and the actual Ethereum or Hyperledger nodes. So we take a multi-protocol approach, like the panelists were talking about. It's all TCP/IP stage at this point. And so we take a multi-protocol approach to bring blockchain applications to the enterprise. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Or if you guys want to see a demo, I'll be around after.
Hey Dom, what does the your contract situation look like versus a DocuSign type process?
So in the typical contracting process, you have a document generation process. You have to email that back to another counterparty. They have to DocuSign it. They have to send it back. You know, this is paper contracts. This is probably multiple applications: document generation, document storage, document signature. Our process is we provide an interface on Salesforce where both entities can essentially reference the data that's surfaced on the blockchain from Salesforce as an application layer. The companies can then make a state change or sign the contract, whether it's an Ethereum contract, a Hyperledger contract, and we essentially provide a real-time application layer so that the companies can verify the contracts that have been signed, and it's ultimately organizationally decentralized amongst every party that is associated with the contract. So,
does every party have to be part of Salesforce?
No, every party doesn't have to be part of Salesforce. So if you have Salesforce and you already have an implementation, your data is already there, it works great because you just download our managed package. If not, we can service the data in other proprietary applications.
Does your package take external data, like performance data?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll do telematics data and basically surface the telematics data in Salesforce. We can have the telematics data trigger events in smart contracts. The usage-based or performance-based contract is actually with an oil rig supplier. They want to be able to track the telematics data coming in, and that will determine a payout in their contract. Reduce costs for the supplier, so they have to be more profitable, or reduce costs for the companies, so they have to be more profitable at $50 per barrel versus $75 per barrel. There's no subjectivity for the supplier or the company.
Thank you so much.